Call it a day is a common English idiom that means to stop working for today and continue tomorrow. This expression signals the end of the workday when enough has been accomplished. Call it a day literally means to decide the day is finished. Native speakers use this when they feel tired after many hours of work or when the task is good enough for now. It suggests resting and returning fresh tomorrow. Imagine working 8 hours straight on a project. Someone says, "We have been working 8 hours. Let us call it a day." This politely suggests everyone should stop and go home for the evening. When the clock shows late evening, a team leader might say, "It is getting late. Let us call it a day and continue tomorrow." This shows good judgment about time and energy levels. Picture this situation. It is 8 p.m. and papers cover the desk. A coworker says, "It is 8 p.m. Let us call it a day and pick this up tomorrow." Notice how it plans for future work. In meetings, after 3 interviews, the panel called it a day. This shows the idiom works for groups too, not just individuals ending their personal workday.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.